everyone, my name is Julita Litan. You can call me Julita. Okay, I will explain the answer to my final semester exam. Part A, number 1. Are you always present during the lecture of English business online? Why? I always attend every meeting of English course because I want to take English class and also want to understand English because English is very important to learn. Number 2. How many times are present during the online lecture of English for Business? Answer: 40 meeting. Number 3. What do you study during your online study of English for Business, and what advantage have you got from study English for Business online? So, I know one marketing, production, distribution, and type of business are not too much that I understand. In this online class, we are trying to write the advertise. I can participate in it directly because I am in the village, so I can train my hand in terms of marketing snacks. Number 4. What is the structure and segment given by the lecturer during your lecture of English for Business? Explain your structure and segment. The text of the given structure is to write from chapter to chapter in order to increase understanding of business and practice reading skill. Number 5. How does the lecture of English for Business impress you? What media platform are using in studying English for Business? Quick impressed because the lectures are also quick to respond if you have any difficulty and really understand the state of the online class. The platform used is Classroom, WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, email. Part B. This part deals with the theory of English for Business. Number 1. What is the production? What is the production? Production is defined as the activity of franchising raw goods, but in the form of raw or semi-finished into an object that has a certain use value. Production can also be interpreted as making a product or service so that its value can increase compared to its raw material. Production activity cannot be spread in human life today with production life with file easier. Instant food, drink in automatic machine, cosmetic product, and online transportation service are a handful of goods and services that you commonly use for everyday production. Number 2. What is the purpose of production? The following are some of the objectives in doing the production activity instead of meeting the human needs. Number 1. Making profit. Producers make profit by buying and selling product made through production activity. The distribution process become one of the most important component in seeking profit from many parties in value. Number 2, creating and adding value to an item or service. Production activity are also carried by to improve a function of good and service or creating it with new function. An example is the product of food such as instant noodle. With instant noodle, you can not only find the value of pleasure as fun, but also find additional value in the form of practice and convenience. The production activity conduction to carry a new functional value can be seen in building a house with a combination of various materials such as wood, cement, bricks, sand, and other production object called and house with the function as a place to live. Number 3, mention and explain the type of production. Production activity can be distinguished based on the result of their product. Here are some types of production based on product result. Number 1, agriculture production. Production activity that utilize natural resources as the main source for producing a product are called agricultural production. Agriculture production activity, for example, are rice planting activity. A farmer will plant rice, use paddy field to produce rice. After that, the farmers will sell the rice to the trader to make a profit and meet the human needs. Number 2, industrial production. Industrial production is an activity conducted to transform raw material into semi-finished goods and goods that are ready for consumption through a business entity. Number 3, extractive production. Extractive production activity are those the priority natural resource for their product to be taken directly. Example of extractive production activity are mining activity, whether is the form of petroleum, coal, of metal. Number 4, production service. Service production activity are activity to sell service in the form of special expertise to meet other human needs. An example of a service production activity is a body and face care service. Number 5, transportation production. Transportation production activity are production activity that have the function to move an item from one place to another. An example of transportation production activity is the process of delivering motor vehicle full. Number 4, what is finance and what is financial management? Category of finance. Finance can involve something as small as a personal checking account or as large as government debt. These are their main type of finance: personal, corporate, and public. Financial management. Financial management is the planning and execution of financial decisions in pursuit of a goal. It involves procuring money and controlling and monitoring its efficiency, using balancing risk against growth. Financial management is different from financial service. Although human uses financial service to make finance. Number 5. Why do you study business at Economy Faculty of Panchabakti University? In my opinion, Panchabakti University is one of the right campus for me to study. Majoring in economy, Panchabakti University is also knowledge good but academically and in terms of facility. Part C, page 129 to 136. What are the types of business? Business has different types to cause when you want to form a company as with its all legal different. Typically, the from main type of business includes sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company (LLC), and corporation. Before creating a business, what is important? The entrepreneurs, one running the business, should be clarified. One of their most important indication is that a quick overview of these four types of business will be provided by this article to help entrepreneurs. Sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is defined as an unincorporated company that is owned by one individual only. While the type of business is the simplest, the sole proprietorship also offers the less amount of protection for the owner. A sole proprietorship is unlike partnership or cooperation. A separate legal identity for the business is not created by the sole proprietorship. Essentially, the owner of the business shares the same identity as the company. Therefore, the owner is fully liable for any and all liability incurred by the company. This option can be caused by an entrepreneur if they want to retain full control of the company. Additionally, to establish a sole proprietorship is not difficult and it is inexpensive. There are also tax benefits as income is considered the owner personal income and therefore only take one finally. Sole proprietorship have to meet 5 requirements. Partnership. A partnership is a form of business where two or more people share ownership as well as the responsibility for manager the company and the income or loss the business generates, like sole proprietorship partnership can the advantage of law through taxation. This means that the income is handled as the owner incomes, so it is only take on see how. However, owner is in partnership are in a position to include the liability of the firm. However, there are some subtly distinction to this partnership have different types, namely general partnership, limited partnership, and limited liability partnership. General partnership. The essence type of partnership to form is as partners share equally in the workload, liability, and profit products, and paid out to the partner. All partners are actively engaged in the business operation. This means the every parent's personal asset can be utilized to repay the liability of the state of being partner. This also means the each partner is able to every other partner's action. For example, John and Dave are in a general partnership. If John is used for malpractice, Dave's personal asset might be claimed again in the lawsuit. Limited partnership. This type of partnership has the least one general partner. Limited partnership allow outside investors to buy into a business but maintain limited liability and involvement based on their contribution. This is a more complex form of partnership which also has more flexibility in terms of ownership and decision making. Additionally, there are also limited partner is limited partnership. Limited partner only take on as much liability as their financial stake in the business. However, as limited partner, they are not involved in management discretion and do not have any control over the company. Limited liability partnership (LLP). LLP are similar to general partnership where multiple partners are responsible for the operation of the business. However, partners in LLP are not personally responsible for the action of other partners or the debts of the business. Unfortunately, not all business can be LLP. This type of business is often reserved for certain professions such as a lawyer or accountants in general. Compared to other types of business, partnership offer more flexible but are also exposed to more risk. Limited liability partnership (LLP). LLP are similar to general partnership where multiple partners are responsible for the operation of the business. However, partners in LLC are not personally responsible for the action of other partners or the debts of the business. Unfortunately, not all business can be LLC. This type of business is often reserved for certain professions such as a lawyer or accountants in general. Compared to other types of business, partnership of offer more flexible but are also exposed more risk. Limited liability company at LLC. Limited liability company LLC are one of the most flexible types of business. LLC combine aspects of both partnership and cooperation. They retain the tax benefits of sole proprietorship and the limited liability of cooperation. LLC are able to choose between different tax treatment as long as the LLC chooses not to be treated as a C corporation. It retains its flow-through taxation status. Additionally, LLC benefits from limited liability status. In LLC, the company exists as its own legal entity. This protects the owner of the LLC from being personally liable from the operation and debit of the business. Corporations are a separate legal entity created by shareholders. Incorporating a business protects owner from being personally liable for the company debts or legal dispute. A corporation is more complete to create compared to the other their type of business. An article of incorporation must the draft which include information such as the number of shares to be issued, the name and location of the business, and the purpose of the business. In sole proprietorship and partnership, if one of the owners passes away or declares bankruptcy, the company is dissolved. Corporation exists as its own entity, therefore they are protected from this situation and will continue to exist even if the owner of the business passes away. Example of type of business. Many business being as sole proprietorship. As this type of business is great for small business as they grow. An example they tend to cover to corporation. eBay is a very famous example of a sole proprietorship. The convert into a corporation. Hewlett Packard is an example of a incredibly successful and famous partnership like eBay. As they grow, they eventually incorporate in 1947. However, the company began as a partnership between two friends. Chrysler is one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the United Since inception, Chrysler has maintained its status as a limited liability corporation at LLC. Finally, possibly the most famous of this company is Apple, like most large company that are listed in stock exchange. Apple, otherwise known as Apple Inc., was incorporated soon after the company began its operation. To this day, Apple remains one of the largest companies in the world. It has continued to exist despite one of its co-founders, Steve Jobs, passing away. Thank you.